Hello friends. So the topic for today is coordinates of points and distance. I know I was going to cover angles in this lecture, but this is a small topic left here. So I'll cover this, and in the next video I'll go with angles for sure. So to begin with, let's start with a number line. So we know what is a number line. There is a 0 in the middle, and there are positive numbers on the right hand side of 0 and negative numbers on the left hand side of 0. Okay, these positive and negative real numbers are present on the number line. So for illustration, I have considered few points to understand this concept: a, b, c and e. So what are coordinates? Coordinates of points are the numbers associated with the point. Okay, so the number associated with point a is 1, for b it is 2, for c it is 3, for e is it is -2. Okay, so the number associated with the point is called the coordinate of that point. Okay, so in this example, as we can see, the coordinates of point a, b, c and e are 1, 2, 3, -2 respectively. Okay, so this was about the coordinates of the point, and the next is distance. So we must always note that distance between any two points is a positive quantity. For example, if I consider distance between points a and b, so distance will be 1 unit. A and c, it will be 2 units. Okay, so distance will be always a positive real number. Okay, and distance is represented in this format, that is distance between points a and b. We must always note that distance between point a b will always be same as distance between points b and a. Now next we will consider two cases. That is, first case when a and b are different points, that is distinct points. So if a and b are different points, then distance between a and b will always be greater than 0. Like if I consider b as 2 and a as 1, then their distance will be 1, so it will be greater than 0. Okay, so this is the condition, and this is the second condition, that a and b are non-distinct points. So non-distinct points mean they are the same, like a is 1 and b is 1 for example, so their distance will be of course 0. So this was the second case here. So in order to find distance, we have a general format here. We can use this one or this, they both mean the same, but that is a different way of representation here. Like x minus y if x greater than equal to y, or y minus x if y greater than equal to x. That is, distance between a b will be bigger minus smaller. Okay, bigger minus smaller. So if I want to find distance between a and c over here, it will be 3 minus 1 and not 1 minus 3. Okay, since we have all mentioned before that distance is a positive quantity, we have to subtract bigger minus smaller. Okay, or we can directly use the modulus, because any quantity which comes out of the modulus will be a positive quantity. So smaller minus bigger or bigger minus smaller, it doesn't make a difference, because modulus sign will convert it into a positive quantity. So thank you guys, this was all about coordinates of points and distance. In the next lecture we'll definitely start with angles. Thank you guys, do subscribe to our channel and comment your views about our videos.